I would like to introduce myself. My name is Larry Nielsen. I've been the president of Southwestern Biomedical for 24 years. I was hired at SBE in approximately around 1982, and then I purchased Southwestern Biomedical from the owners in 1987. We were formed in the early 70s as an independent distributor for Space Hub's medical devices. We sold, installed, and performed warranty service for the patient monitoring systems, as well as preventive maintenance services. Typical turnaround time is 5 days on all parts that are sent in for repair. If you order a circuit board on an exchange, it is typically filled that day. I don't believe we have ever been in a situation in the past 25 years where we could not fill an order of a circuit board or assembly on the same day that the order was placed. Every part number that we have on our parts list is in stock and is ready to ship. We take this order entry process very seriously, and have found that each person takes a great pride in their work. So therefore, when they get the order, they know exactly it's their responsibility. They know exactly that they are responsible for that circuit board to be completely operational, have the correct option string, be the correct dash number, and in many cases they may take it back and box it themselves because they want to have the assurance that this circuit board was working